in Shelby County until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Helena, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard:
How do you not go
60
off?
miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hoover, Alabaster, Pelham, Helena, Calera, Montebello, Columbiana, Wilsonville, Harpersville, American Village, Maline, Oak Mountain Amphitheater, Shelby County Airport, Lily, Oak Mountain State Park, Shelby, Joe Tucker Park, Highway 145 and Creek 46, Kelly Branch, and Camp Branch. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Shelby, Alabama,